new thing which I can see it. For example, last we can do like for example ID0 and crime rate, so it will be show me in the bar in the like in this format. But when I use this too much this software, I I show some, for example, dot density. You can also see from the dot density, and this density, if you are just go to crime rate and go to this symbology and go to your, for example, if color will be my already in color, and little bit the size will be 3, so you can easily see it. The red dots will be more, and where the crime rate is very high, and the green dots means low crime rate. So uh, you can easily do by this also. Okay. Okay, and you can see what is ID0. ID0 is the this is the code from Pakistan, and this is the crime rate. So in order to, you can also use the ID1. If I go to the ID1, so it will be show me uh, by easily province type of crime rate. And if you go to the number of cases, so it is the number of cases the null, so it will be directly show the crime rate. So you can easily type your Excel sheet and giving him the different different crime rate and everything, your data which you can need it, and you can later on lay out easily. Okay, so if you are not interested, and you can go to your go to your single symbol, you can easily go there is no data is will be available. Okay, so, and if you go to your label, so it will be easily labeled. But if you go to your label properties, okay, and I give the name to name one, apply it, so you can easily see it. And go to your this, I want to not show the uh, this area, which is go to this add, and in number one, I go to name one is not equal to is not equal to, if I go to Punjab, so that will be okay, so they will be remove this one. Okay, and if I go to, no, I think will be equal to, okay, no problem. So in this equal, you can only visible this place. So if I cross it, so everything will be visible easily. Okay. Or the symbology, if I go to my it, okay, now you can go to your this, you can go to your chart. You can easily see by naming also. Go to your pin chart and go to your crime rate, so you can easily see it where the crime rate is very more, so sin area is very more, and again Punjab and this area this very little. So you can easily do something else. You can also check your uh, dot density chart. If I give the data of crime rate, you can easily check at the where is the red dots is more. So in this area red dots is very more. You can also, if you are not you can also show your different one. You can go to unique value, and for example, if I use this one, and go to your class A. Okay, so So I want to add the new thing. Hmm, where do we go? Word. Okay, so I go to, okay, it's also do it, and you can also giving by name one. Okay, name one, no, name one is not, and you can check it from this one. Go to attribute table. Okay, so where is, yes, this is the, okay, this is new name one. I check. Go to my province name, leave this one. One Pakistan ID1. Okay, so you can see it different province. You can easily mark, this is the capital, this is the largest province, this is the largest population, this is the area wise largest population. So you can see it. If you are not interested in this video, so you are right clicking. Okay, just select. Wait a minute. Okay, select and remove it. So this will be not visible, and you can easily giving the legends. Okay, and unique video, what is this one? Okay, this is the graduate color, uh, color basis, which one is more populated area. If I go to class 7, so it will be more distinguish me. And okay, if I go to number of crime rate, okay, you can create easily. And if I go to my, what is this one? Okay, this one is also different color. What is unclass color? Okay, this is the histogram, which is the more area and which is the less populated area. And what is this graduate sample? So it will be show me the different classes. If I give the field to the crime rate, okay, so they will also show me the crime rate, which will be very high and will be very low. So you can increase everything, you can change the color, and later we can try this one, we can try this one. Okay, so you can also uh, add your own operation and you can use it. So you can do everything by putting or joining the Excel sheet, and by editing in the attribute table, so you can use your charts easily.